save over half on your groceries? Well, I got all this. Retail value would be $150.26, but I got it for $69.62. So stick around and keep watching to see how I did this. We are at the grocery store today. We're gonna get some groceries. You want grapes?
Yes.
This week, these are on sale for 88 cents a pound. We're gonna pick up the green ones. You will wanna make sure that you clip this digital coupon on your Just For You app. These are an Ibotta deal that's going on still, so I'm gonna pick up 4 of them because I like them. We actually did like them a lot, and I'm gonna freeze these. You want that one? You are so silly. He's just throwing everything in the cart. No, we don't need that. Okay, that's his choice, but I'm going to get the store brand because it's only $1.99. And I started making pancake. The boys are loving it, and we'll just try this out. Like and subscribe, and let's go back to this video. We are needing some olive oil. This one's 25.7 per ounce. And this one that I was going to get is 42.3. So I'm going to be getting this for Tolly. So I was passing this, and this is 19.2, and it's grapeseed oil. So these are on clearance, and I'm going to pick up this sea salt one. So definitely check out your stores. There's an Ibotta rebate on this as well. I'm going to pick this up. It's only $1.99, part of the Fab 5 this week. We need sauce, so I'm gonna get this traditional one and this Italian sausage. They're both 99 cents this week with the Fab 5. This one is pretty much similar to this brand right here, but this one hasn't gone on sale for a while, so I'm gonna pick up this one for us. It's part of the Fab 5. The Rockstar's on sale this week for 89 cents. Here, there's also a $1 digital. I'm gonna try these ones for Michael this time. So these are on sale. There's also an Ibotta rebate on this. They're on sale for $2.49. I am also going to pick up I've never heard this cheese, so I'm going to pick this up. It's my freebie, so I just want to pick it up before I forget. This is even cheaper than I normally get it, so I'm just going to pick up one for Michael. It's going to be $5.50. My husband wants agave, so this is the first place I found it, so I'm going to use this, and the O Organics coupon should come off. I see these hang tags, it's for these, but they're also on clearance, so I'm going to pick these up just to try them out. I am loving all these hang tags. I'm going to take one of these for next time.
Cake.
You want cookies or cake? Cookies or cake?
Cookies.
Cookies now? You want these ones?
Cake.
You want cake? This one?
Butter.
Okay. So I'm going to do this deal, and it's also going to be tracking towards my coupons.com when I spend $25. What are you waiting for? Hit the like button.
Cookies.
If you didn't know, you can actually pick up an item, scan the barcode through the app, and see if any digital coupons attach. And as you can see, I had these 3 coupons. So definitely check out this feature within the app. I am home now. The only thing that is missing is the Bertolli oil. For some reason, it didn't make its way into my bag. So I called the store, and she said that I just need to bring my receipt. They will replace the item. So that's super cool. It ended up making me $9.50 on Ibotta. Baby girl is cooing over there. I will be getting $5 back on the deli meat from coupons.com, and it ended up being $73.62 after the rebates and coupons.com and digital coupons and all that stuff. And I also earned 3 rewards, which is equivalent to about $4 off my next purchase. It would have been less, but for some reason I forgot to click $10 off my next purchase, and also that Northern California coupon of 5 off 50 did not work, but I was a little sad because it would have helped me save another 10%, but it's okay. My original total was at $97.49 for all of this. My son, as you can tell, was trying to get into this, but we are going to open it tomorrow. Definitely check out Ibotta if you aren't enrolled in it already. I have my referral link in the description below, so definitely check that out. And also there's a printable document. So thank you to everyone that is around me right now for subscribing. We reached 300 and we are going to celebrate with some cake. As you can see, it got shaken up a bit from my son trying to get into it. You'll want to make sure that you are subscribed, as well as like this video or dislike it if you don't like it. And just let me know your favorite emoji for like party time. So this is mine, my favorite party time emoji. And I just want to know what yours is. And if you have any feedback, I would appreciate that as well. I am trying to improve each video, so I appreciate any feedback that I can get. And yeah, thank you so much for being here and being a part of Happily G community. And until next time, bye y'all. All right, let's have some cake for Mommy's 300.
All right. Get your cake, Declan.
They're using their breakfast bowls to make less dishes for me.
Happy subscribers to Mommy.
Yeah. You want to know how much we saved? Mommy don't fit.